So let's take a look at each one of these to see which ones are negative and positive. So if you have negative 5 minus 27, you're actually subtracting 27 from negative 5, which gets you all the way to negative 32. So this is definitely negative. So there's one that works. And then 48 plus negative 24 is the same as 48 minus 24, and that equals a positive 24, so that one works as well. And then 8 plus a negative 1,784. So basically, you're going from 8 on a number line, and you're subtracting over 1,000. So, I mean, I don't even need to solve this one, but it probably is negative 1,776. So it's, oh, not 66. Let's try 76. There we go. And that is negative. And then this one, you're starting at negative 2,127, and then you're adding a negative or subtracting 879. So you're going to go further into the negative. So that one is definitely negative. So it looks like it's just the first three that are true.